Hi guys, if second space is not showing or missing on your Redmi phone, in this video I will guide you on how to get and use the second space feature on any Redmi phone you have. So currently I do have two Redmi phones over here, and one of these devices actually has the second space feature while the other does not have. So the Redmi Note 15 Pro over here, which is actually a more expensive device, do have the second space feature, and you would be able to find it from the additional settings over here. You can see if you scroll down, you should be able to find the second space. However, if you come over to the Redmi 15C, go over to the settings, scroll all the way down until you get to the additional settings, and then just scroll down, you're going to find out that we do not have the second space feature. So under special features there is no second space, but over here under the special features you can see we do have the second space option. This is a very useful feature, and I'm going to show you how to get the second space feature on any Redmi phone if the feature is missing or not showing on your Redmi phone, like the Redmi 15C over here. What you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Xiaomi Redmi phone. Make sure you are at the top and you're going to see the about option. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll down a little bit and then make sure you tap on the OS version option several times, for about 7 times, until you are now a developer, just as it is shown over here. And then you want to come out of this, come over to the top search input, and then you want to go ahead and search for reset to default value. Just go ahead and type on reset to default value and you're going to see this option. Go ahead and select that, and then you're going to be taken to this page. At the bottom you're going to see the reset to default value, and you want to tap on this for about 3 to 4 times. And then at the bottom you're going to see the turn on system optimization option. You want to make sure you turn this off. You're going to get a prompt, but you don't have to worry, just accept it once it counts down. And now you can now come out of the developer options. Now scroll all the way down to the additional settings on your Redmi phone that does not have the second space feature. Go ahead and select that. Now over here you just want to scroll down a little bit and you're going to find the users option. Go ahead and select that, and also make sure that allow multiple users at the top is actually turned on. To create a second space on our Redmi phone, you want to tap on the add a user option. You'll be required to create a profile for this particular user, so go ahead and add any photo as your profile. Tap on OK, and then you also want to add the name for this particular user as well. So I'll just go ahead and create my own name, then OK. And as soon as you tap on the check button at the top, a new space will now be created for this particular user, and you also have to set it up as well. So you can go ahead and switch to this particular user now. Tap on switch to second space and then set up now. Go ahead and tap on the continue button at the bottom. And now you have to follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. So go ahead and sign into your Google account if you want. In my case, I will just skip it, and maybe I can do it later. Tap on skip from over here. You will also be required to set up a password, pin or pattern for this new space. You can go ahead and use any of this option, but for the purpose of this video, I will just tap on the skip option at the bottom. Now follow the on-screen instructions to finish up your setup, then click on no thanks. Now give it a couple of seconds and a new space will automatically be created for this device. So even though the second space feature is not showing on this Redmi phone, we now have a new space with different applications, files and environments, and you can actually switch to the other space by tapping on the switch option from over here. Give it a couple of seconds. Now it is switching to the initial user, and now you can see if you go back to the home for this particular space, you can now see all of our apps. On this previous space, we have all of these applications. If you also want to go back to the previous space we created, you can just go over to the settings of your Redmi phone, scroll down to the additional settings, and then to the users option at the bottom over here. Then go ahead and select your second space user, tap on switch to second space, and you're good to go. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.